Sawadee-ka, everyone! To all my fellow Thai learners, today, let's conquer the low-class consonants, known as one of the biggest challenges in learning Thai, all at once with our magic phrases. There are 24 low consonants in total. While there are more of them compared to mid and high-class consonants, they're actually much easier to remember if you split them into two groups. The first group is the paired consonants with 14 letters, which have a matching sound in the high class. The second group is the single consonants with 10 letters, which don't have a pair. These are incredibly important for mastering tone rules, so let's make sure to get them down. First, let's look at the 14 paired consonants that share the same sounds as the high-class consonants. Here is the magic phrase to remember them. Pa, ka, fan, tong, su, chang, ho. It means the merchant with gold teeth buys a whole elephant. Now, let's check these 14 letters along with their names. Pa pan and its partner, Pa Sam Pao, Ka Kwai and its partners Ka Kon and Ka Rakang, Fa Fan, Ta Tahan and its partners Ta Tong, Ta Mun To and Ta Pu Tao, Sa So, Cha Chang and its partner Cha Chair, and Ha Nokuk. There we go. These 14 characters are all part of the low-class group. Make sure to burn these sounds into your memory along with the illustrations. Next, we have the 10 single consonants that don't have a pair. Here is the magic phrase. Nguu, yai, non, yu, na, rim, wat, mo-lee-lok. It means a big snake is sleeping near Wat Mo-lee-lok. Let's go through these 10 letters and their names in order. Ngo, ngu, ya, ying, na, nu, ya, yak, na, nen, ra, รือ, wa,แหวน, ma,ม้า, la, จุฬา, la, ling. These 10 characters are characterized by their nasal or smooth, flowing sounds. Try chanting the phrase along with the rhythm to help it stick. Here they are, the 24 low consonants. Every single one of them was hidden within the two magic phrases we just practiced. First, let's review the 14 paired consonants. Pa, ka, fa, ta, sa, cha, and ha. Next, here are the 10 single consonants. Nu, yu, nu, yu, nu, ru, wu, mu, lu, and lu. Make sure to firmly link the shapes of the letters with the images from our phrases. The keys to memorizing these are the same as before. First, remember the sentence and the picture as a set. Second, read them out loud over and over. Saying it out loud really helps it stick. And third, focus on the sound of the initial consonant rather than the meaning. If you keep these 3 tips in mind, you won't have to fear these 24 characters anymore. Now, let's finish with a quick quiz. Can you tell which ones are the low consonants? Question 1. Nga, ka, ga. Which one is a low consonant? The correct answer is the one on the far left, na. Question 2. Pa, pa, bu. Which one is low class? The answer is the one on the left, pa. Question 3. Ra, sa, ah. That's right. The correct answer is ra. How did you do? If you got them all right, you're becoming a pro at identifying low-class consonants. Finally, let's wrap up today's lesson. There are 24 low consonants in total. You can easily memorize them using two magic phrases, one for paired consonants and one for unpaired consonants. First, let's review the phrase for paired consonants. I'll read it twice. พ่อค้าฟันทองซื้อช้างโห่ Again, พ่อค้าฟันทองซื้อช้างโห่ Next, here's the phrase for single consonants. Let's repeat this twice as well. งูใหญ่นอนอยู่ณริมวัดโมลีโลก One more time. งูใหญ่นอนอยู่ณริมวัดโมลีโลก Please keep practicing by saying these out loud while linking the sentences with the pictures to master them. Great job, everyone! Now you've got the low-class consonants down. Please come back to this video often and try chanting the phrases out loud. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Khop kun ka.